We're gonna go talk about Jordan Seltzer a little bit. When did you buy this?
Probably about a month ago.
Yeah, he's had it for a month, but I haven't been on YouTube for a month, so the videos are coming out slower every day. Oh, and I lifted my car just for the winter, so I don't get stuck. Because up here in Canada, we get a little bit of snow.
Oh, fuck yeah.
But this is the Seltzer. Tell us about it, Jordan.
It's a 2001 ECF 31 LS 430 if it was in America or Canada. But I bought it a month ago. It has only 151,000 kilometers. Still automatic, sadly, but other than that, it's stock. Still the stock air suspension stuff.
It's got the 3UZ in it.
Yeah, 3UZ FE.
Big V8. Got some work emotions on. I bought those and they were all plasti dipped, and I polished them up and kind of fixed them, and then Jordan bought them to throw them on his car.
They look perfect.
And they fit the car. I wouldn't throw these rims on any other car but this. Looks so good. And this is stock height. Look at how low it is. Its fitment is pretty good.
I can start it up for you.
Yeah, go for it. Start her up. It's right-hand drive, heated seats, power everything. Does it have seat massagers?
No, not this one. The 2001's did, but not this one.
Yeah, but she starts up first crank every time. Give her a little rev. Oh yeah, that's sexy. Good old V8s. Go for it. I haven't even seen the engine bay on this thing yet.
There's not much to see.
Is it all plastic?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh yeah. It looks clean though.
Yeah, nevertheless.
Are these aftermarket?
I'm not too sure.
They're like almost hella horns.
Yeah. It's pretty much stock, so there's nothing really to it right now, but eventually I'm going to get it on coils and slam it even more.
Oh yeah. Like we do it out here at Low Standards,
Yeah.
Slam everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's an update. Jake's car is looking low as ever. Don't ask us how he drives it,
Yeah.
but he drives it.
He sends it.
He just sends it. He still has an oil pan somehow. Levi's car is braking every day. It can't hit boost anymore. But you know, Turbo Civic problems. Nah, it's still mint. But yeah, that's pretty much it for a car update. Yeah, we're gonna go work on the Echo now. Y'all boys getting those shitty ass top nut struts?
Top nut shots?
Yeah, they're brutal. They're like underneath all the plastic. It's garbage.
Yeah, there.
As you can see. It's not fun. But pretty much this lift kit came from Russia.
Yeah. Is that 2-inch or 1.5?
40 millimeter,
Not bad.
I think. Yeah, 40 millimeter.
Decent.
Almost 2 inches, 1.5.
Yeah.
It should be good though.
Oh yeah.
It'll ride a lot better than the wood blocks. This is pretty much the max we can go for lift unless we do springs.
In the front?
Because otherwise you can't get the strut bolted up. It's too long.
Okay.
If you were to go any bigger than this.
The actual bolt to the top of the strut?
Yeah, it can bolt to the top, but it can't bolt to the bottom. The CV axles start hitting the subframe,
Yeah.
and the driver's side actually pops out.
Really?
Yeah, because we were going to do 2 wood blocks originally, and did we get the passenger side in on 2 wood blocks? No. Okay, I think we did the driver's side first, and we were trying. It was like this close of two 2x4s.
Those are bigger than the wood block, though.
Yeah, just a little bit. And we were pushing so hard on the hub, and then the CV boot just goes. It popped right off, and it made a mess of my whole floor. And Levi's like screaming. He's like, "Oil!"
Oh, that thing is fucked.
There's so much dirt. It's like cemented together.
Hopefully it never has to come off again once it's
Yeah.
got the lid on.
Sure hope that didn't just pop out.
I think the bolt drill.
That's okay. We have lots. Those aren't even OEM.
Home Depot.
Rest in peace, brake line. That thing's dirty as
I like what you did with the wood.
dirty bastard.
Check out that wood, please.
Oh yeah, he's still alive.
That's pretty good.
Just a little bit
Could have gone
cracked.
another 100K.
More than that.
Let's see. They're about the same size. They're this a little bit bigger. And that's hopefully this one won't crack. Oh shit, it came with longer studs. Yo, boys, we got new ones.
Oh shit. You can just take these ones out?
Yeah, just take them out. They're bitch to get out, but take them
You
out.
have to hit him out.
Damn.
With a hammer?
Really? Where'd it pop?
At the one right at the tranny.
Ah. Y'all can't see it, but the CV popped out. Hold on. I'm gonna have to pop it back in. I don't think it did, bro.
Well, this is definitely not where it's supposed to be sitting.
Bro, it doesn't feel like it did. It feels fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, look at where the thing's sitting.
Nice
Ah,
to take that top cover off.
That's trouble line there. This is just kind of trouble line
Ah,
Oh,
there's
is
a
it dirty?
spider here.
It's just this,
I got it.
You got it?
I got it. It's back in.
Is it still?
it's just a little off. I think it's just this pushing here.
Whatever, just sandwich it on.
You got an extra.
Tight
Is
as
the
tight.
holes line up though?
Yeah, try it out.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's from the burnout.
Yeah, it almost fits. A little bit more.
What did you have to do? He's just shaving it out. Because it doesn't fit over, take it off. This bump.
Yeah. Thing's kind of cool.
Yo, you want some spare tire rubber? Let's put it back on. There you go, take it back. Damn, it's showing a little bit of cord.
Where's all the old nuts?
Oh, just tighten it.
Yeah.
The threads, yes.
Just stack a bunch of nuts on it.
Here's a big one. Do you need two?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna throw that thing on.
Are they 10 mils?
So,
Why do you have a 10 mil? We have an 11. We have a 12 and a 3/8.
The 14.
Oh. We have a 14 and a 3/8. No, we don't. What's the gun? A 1/2 inch? Oh, that's a shit gun. It's 3/8 anyways.
This bitch empty! Yeah!
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm.
Perfect. Man.
That's so satisfying.
That should be on a satisfying compilation.
When you're lifting your echo.
And the
All
spacer
your-
slides in just right.
Should we check her in?
Yeah, just chuck her in. She'll be fine.
Yo, Brady.
Yeah.
Remember we have to do this standing thing?
Oh yeah.
Film us.
Yeah, I don't think we can go under because that sits on top of the CV axle. So I'll get more blocks of wood.
What needs to happen, Levi?
So we're trying to get this lower ball joint to go down far enough so we can get the strut in.
If we unhook the CV boot, we could do it. But or the CV axle.
Yeah, because the CV hits on the frame right in there. So it won't go down far enough.
Yeah. So we're just gonna do it the best way we know.
Okay.
Where's the little screwdriver? That's not gonna work with the handle.
Two guys, one strut.
It's Jane.
Jan.
Ghetto. About to get launched to the moon.
Dude, watch your face.
It's not gonna explode out. It's bolted up top.
No, it's the jack that I'm worried about exploding out.
Don't worry about it. We might need someone to step on the hub.
Yeah, you just gotta keep the thing from pushing out. Which it really wants to do right now. Can you push the
The what?
strut in?
Oh yeah.
Oh! What did that do?
That popped this thing.
And I think pop CVO again.
Oh man.
Oh wait, never mind. We're good. Three guys, one strut.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The money shot.
Oh,
Where's
somebody
the
get a
ball?
fucking bolt in.
Where they at?
Pop, Jordan.
Pop.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Gotti, we got.
Pop off?
Yeah, you can hop off. Wasn't the rear? I think it's higher than this side. Maybe I move. I mean, we could get a tape measure out. we really wanted to see. Maybe not. I don't know. Levi has the tape measure.
Do it from the ground up. though.
Measure from the top of the fender to the ground. Let's see, we got 25 inches.
Yeah, it's about 20.
That's like 25 and 16th or 25 and an 8th.
Alright,
16.
measure the other side. It's the same.
The center of the wheel. Do it again, Levi. Oh, here. Yeah, this one's like an 8th or a 16th bigger, taller than the other side.
Yeah. That tire might also be a little bit more flat.
And the rubber.
Yeah, this tire's flat.
Flat as fuck. Because this doesn't get tucked. This is usually about 2 inches from the fender.
Yeah, I'd say it's pretty similar.
Oh yeah, these things take us through anything. We crossed the Fraser River with them. Yeah, we can put our drugs in the shock towers. Honestly, if you got like an OEM cover, they would never check in there. And there's no way a border patrol dude knows the difference between a stock Echo and a lifted Echo. If it's on stock wheels. This isn't going in the YouTube video anymore.
We get all the drugs.
we get on a watch list. But I think we're gonna do the other side just quickly. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna film, and then show you guys the end product, and we might do a quick rip in the Echo. It's on Steely's right now though, but it didn't lift it really anything more, but it's a lot safer than the wood blocks and it looks a lot cleaner. The big thing is gonna be when we throw in the hydro that's over there.
Oh yeah.
That'll be sick. Oh, I can't wait. Just be fucking ripping. Just
We might have to do like some custom to make that handle longer though. I
true.
was looking up reviews and they say it's not long enough.
Just throw a PVC pipe on it. Yeah, because normally the hydros are like that long.
Yeah, a lot of guys.
They like them right at the steering wheel. How's she looking? Oh yeah.
It's a bit tight squeeze in here.
She's done. Good old Russian lift kit is in. She's on spare tires so she doesn't look cool.
The studs work really good. I'm really happy with that.
That's good. Now we don't have to worry about our front shocks exploding out. Oh yeah, and we're out here. The hydro that we got, we feel like it's gonna be really short. Like, that's not very long. So we went ahead and we took a piece of metal. And Jordan's out here painting it, master painter. And that should extend it by probably about a foot, so it's more comfortable for us. But it's looking good. Gonna be some nice highlighter yellow to match our highlighter green bumper and the chrome red e-brake handle. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, fuck the gap.
Bro, it's gonna ride like shit if you don't cut the gas.
You're gonna ride like shit. Roasted. Don't break the shock.
Try going farther up too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think these shocks are blown?
Nah, dude. They don't look blown to me.